In this video, I will show you how to add a map layer in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Once you are logged in, you can now see your main dashboard. Now, go to the left side of your screen. In your list, click on Location. A drop-down menu will then appear, showing your available location data. From here, click and hold the location field, then drag it to the middle part of your board. Once you drop it, Tableau will automatically generate a map view using your data. The map will display the geographic locations from your data set. You can click, drag, or zoom in and out to adjust your view of the map as you prefer. You can also explore the map options on the right panel to change the style or add more layers if needed. And that's how to add a map layer in Tableau.